This is Chery Malaysia's latest addition to their lineup of models, the Chery Tiggo 7 and 8 plug-in hybrid PHEV. Both cars are equipped with the Chery Super Hybrid system that promises fuel efficiency, superior mileage, as well as increased performance compared to the standard turbocharged variants of their respective models. So I'm here at Sepang International Circuit to see how these two SUVs with the heavier hybrid system performs on their handling track. My name's Adrian, I'm all about the details, and you're watching cDrive. Both the Tiggo 7 and 8 plug-in hybrids now drop the Pro moniker compared to the internal combustion engine only variants. Now, these two PHEVs are additional variants on top of the existing ones, offering a different flavor to the consumers who are looking for a smoother ride, better performance, and a more efficient powertrain. Now, from the outside, both cars sport a different front grille, different headlamp signature, tail lamps, as well as more aerodynamic wheels. And if you notice here, on both the Tiggo 7 and 8 PHEVs, they get more aerodynamic front and rear bumpers. So you get extra vents here for air curtains for better airflow. Because the 18.3 kWh LFP battery pack is mounted slightly in front of the rear axles, hence boot space are not compromised on the two PHEV models. Inside the Tiggo 8 PHEV is where the cabin gets a complete revamp compared to the standard petrol variant. So here you get a much larger center screen. It's no longer connected to two. The instrument cluster is also different. And then now it shows all your hybrid displays as well as the different driving information. I feel that this EV-like layout, it's more suited to current trends as well as consumer preference. Alright, so we're now here at Sepang's International Circuit's testing ground. This one here is the skid plate, whereby the car would jump the rear. This is where you test the car's handling and stability. When you go up to the skid plate, I'm doing 50. And once you go up the skid plate, the car will lose control and then you catch it back. Fantastic. So immediately when the wheels hop up, the EXP will kick in and just holds the car back. And I had very minimal effort just to correct the car, and this shows that number one, the ESP is top notch. Number two, the car's inherent balance and character, it's very balanced. Oof, I'm gonna do another run. I'll do a little bit quicker and see how the car performs. This looks very dramatic on the outside, but inside the car it feels, yeah, quite not a very shocking experience. Okay, now we're going to push up the intensity for a little bit higher. This is the highest intensity, and I'm going to go at 50 and see how the car performs the ESP. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 50. Skid plate test. 50. Car is going to lose control. Immediately the ESP kicks in, grabs the car, and that didn't feel dramatic at all. It looks very happening on the outside, but inside behind the wheel, it's just another day behind the wheel of the Chery Tiggo 7. So now I've switched over into the Tiggo 8 PHEV. This one is the 7-seater plug-in hybrid variant. Over to the entry, and we're going to do the same exercise. Bring the speed up to 50, effortless going up to 50, and see how the ESP reacts when it kicks in. Oh! Because of the longer wheelbase, it's a bigger car, so there's a little bit more action in the Tiggo 8. But again, it feels the same when I catch it back. The steering is, yeah, very reactive, and the ESP just kicks in and hold the car back into position. And once I straighten out the car, effortless. Fantastic. Alright, so this one is the handling track. From what I understand is that the suspension setting on both the Tiggo 7 and 8 PHEV has been retuned, recalibrated to be stiffer to compensate for the extra weight with the plug-in hybrid system. And immediately on these sort of very tight twisty turns, first things first, the stiffer suspension works. The steering feels a lot more intuitive, a lot more natural, a lot more fluid compared to the internal combustion engine. Right now I'm driving the Tiggo 8 PHEV. The standard car had with the 2-litre turbocharged engine, that one felt a little bit soft, a little bit lazy or hesitant in the steering. This one, it's a lot more intuitive, a lot more direct. And the instant torque that you come from the electric motors, and the engine will wake up according to depending on the battery charge and whether you need additional boost. Like this uphill blind corner, the instantaneous torque and power is just fantastic. So back to the suspension work. This is a very long sweeping bend. Ease the steering, and the rear will just sit and flow through. You are flowing through the corners in the plug-in hybrids. And then here we come to a blind corner. Wonderful. Just this quick taste of the handling and suspension work that Chery have done to the plug-in hybrid systems is, wow, nothing short of amazing. It's quite a surprising change after they have swapped to this new suspension. I wish the normal ICE car, the one with the 2-litre turbo, came standard with this suspension setup. But now with this plug-in hybrid, you're not only getting the extra torque, instantaneous power, but you are also getting a much refined suspension setup compared to the standard internal combustion variants of the Tiggo 8 and 7. So yeah, color me impressed. So right now I'm in the Tiggo 7 with the shorter wheelbase. Let's see how it performs. Immediately you feel that this is a lot more composed, a lot more controlled compared to the longer wheelbase Tiggo 8. This definitely feels very dynamic. Again, the same comments that I have is that the plug-in hybrid with the stiffer springs and damping ratio just makes the car behave beautifully. This is what they should have placed in the standard Tiggo 7 and Tiggo 8. So the standard Tiggo 7 and 8, that one is very comfort oriented. What I mean by comfort oriented is that it's very softly sprung to handle all of these cobble roads as well as the road imperfections. However, I feel that this one gives it a much more dynamic handling ability compared to the standard internal combustion engine cars. So yeah, here you can see it just flows through the bends. Oh, this is beautiful. And this, on those kind of rough surfaces, rough patches, it does not feel jarring. Definitely it does not feel jarring. It is the kind of ride quality that Malaysians have come used to. Slightly stiffer, very well sprung, well damped, and gives you superb body control. Today's exhibit has shown Chery's efforts into their PHEV SUVs handling, because being a plug-in hybrid with the additional weight from the batteries and electric motors, it's very important that this family-oriented SUV would handle safely and very well in the corners, and most importantly, ride extremely well for the passengers on board. And today's exercise has proved and shown that their revisions into the suspension tuning, making it stiffer in the springs and damping rate, has created an SUV that drives incredibly well on the handling test track here at Sepang International Circuit. And not only that, they've also shown that the electronic stability program, when you're in a pinch, it's going to save and help you control the car, straighten up the car during emergency maneuvers. Unfortunately, today's activity did not allow me to experience the city driving and highway driving of the two plug-in hybrid SUVs from Chery. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more intricate details of the Chery Tiggo 7 and 8 PHEV. My name is Adrian, thanks for watching cDrive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.